Alright, so we've got power, status, and bin full. However, the bin is definitely not full. So, I'm not exactly sure. I think these ones use some sort of like sonar sensor in order to tell how full the bin is. So, I might have to call tech support here and talk to them. Let's see what's up. Well, I'm a little embarrassed, but there's a couple different ways that these can sense if the bin is full. Some of them have a little adjustable switch right here that will tell it how full to actually fill the bin. And if you look on the back of the board on this pin right here for the bin stat, if there's nothing hooked in there, it's not using that. Instead, it's using this connector right here, which is the J8, which is SW1, switch 1, which you can see right here. Switch 1 is this. So if this is held open, it'll tell it that the bin is full. And that's how it is in this case. So if there's any problem with this switch, like getting knocked out of place or something of that nature, you may end up with that sort of a problem. Now you'll see there's some ice back here. What actually had happened was the curtain wasn't flowing quite right, because the plastic lid had popped off of here. The water was flowing down and making ice where it shouldn't have been, so there was some ice that was holding this open. I should have checked this earlier, but that's the few different ways that it will sense if the bin is full. So if it's saying the bin is full and the bin is not actually full, it probably is related to this. Unless you have something plugged in there, then it is something actually related to the other type of bin sensor. We're gonna get it all cleaned up and put back together here, and we should be good. Alright, I took it apart, scrubbed most of the sludge out, and then we put a couple shots of vodka in there to kind of kill off the slimy stuff.